Hey there, my fellow Scorpios! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day today. Thank you for supporting to my channel. Thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. Thank you very much for your support. I really do appreciate your love is amazing. To those who are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. I would like to remind you guys to please use your own discernment. It's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. For some of you guys, it could not be your energy. Take only what fits in your story and please don't manifest the rest, okay? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What does Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio? Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. Let me see your energy for this reading. First, we have the Ace of Cups. We also have the Six of Wands. Wow. The Eight of Pentacles. Also, wow. The Ten of Wands. The Queen of Pentacles. The Page of Cups. The Four of Wands. The Four of Cups. The Temperance. The Two of Swords. The Six of Swords. And at the bottom of the deck, we have the World. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings. Let me clarify it as well. I would like to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. If this is not resonates to you guys, just leave it, okay? Because for some of you, it could not be your energy. Remember, there are millions of Scorpios all over the world, and I am one of them. The first foundation of your reading is the Ace of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a water sign, or you are attracting a water sign like you. I feel like there is a new beginning of love and romance here. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person is also a water sign like you. It could also be other sign, but the water sign is like your sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. It could also be that this is your energy. For some of you, you pour all the love to yourself. It's because you realize that you cannot pour others' empty cup if your own cup is empty. You learn to love yourself unconditionally. It's because of your past experience, the painful experience in the past. And that's why you manage, or you learn to love yourself unconditionally. It could also be that this person wants to socialize you, wants to inspire you. Others of you, you are following your intuition. For some of you guys, it could also be that this is the best time if you want to plan a family, because this is the stage of fertility. Others of you, it could also be that this person wants to offer you a cup of love, or it could also be that this is your energy towards to this person. But I feel like there is a new beginning of love and romance here. Take only what fits in your story. And I love this card for you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You deserve to be loved. It's because what you have experienced in the past is enough. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Six of Wands. Wow. Congratulations in advance. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this person wants to offer you this new beginning of love and romance. Could also that this person wants to socialize you, wants to celebrate with you. Could also be that this person wants to reconcile with you, and there is a celebration here. It could also be that this person wants to celebrate with your success, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be a Leo, could also be a water sign. For some of you guys, you are recognized for what you have done. I don't know what is the nature of your job, and you have lots of supporters, and your supporters are increasing because this is recognition, success and recognition, and you have lots of supporters here. It could also be that this is related to your special skills, talents, knowledge, or it could also be related to your collaboration and teamwork. But you are being recognized here. You have also lots of supporters. And remember, there is success here in this recognition, sorry. But be very careful, because sometimes or all the time there are people who are not happy with your success, with what you have attained in your life. There are lots of people who are pretending that they are your friends, families, chums, or who are your supporters, because these people aren't really your friends. They are your frenemies, your haters. But who cares? You have lots of supporters here. There are lots of people who wants to celebrate with you here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. These are your cheerers, like in basketball or in the football. You have lots of supporters and cheerers here. Lots of people who wants to see you win. Of course, there are people who doesn't want to see you win, and these are the haters and your frenemies. Congratulations for this success and recognition. And I love this card for you. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person recognize you. Recognize you that you are the love of their life. Yeah, could be a water sign. Could also be a Leo. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Eight of Pentacles. This is the Six of Wands, is the obstacles and influences in this reading. And the Eight of Pentacles is the base of the situation. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are focusing and nurturing your creativity. You are devoted. For some of you, it could also be related to an investment or a business venture. I don't know what is your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And others of you guys, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Virgo viewed you as you are focused on your stability, your financial matters. Could be that this person needs your financial support, or it could also that this person wants to support you building this stability, creativity, an investment, or a business venture. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to stay focused. Don't get distracted, because you are halfway there. For some of you, you have already a financial success and stability. Others of you, you are hiding this abundance. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? It could also be that this person or a group of people is in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex, or in the community. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And let me see your energy in the near future is the Ten of Wands. This will happen around 3 to 6 months. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You close the burdens in your life. These people who give you all the burdens, the responsibilities and obligation, which is not your own burdens. It could also be that these are the group of people in the workplace, could also be in your family, in the friend circle, could also be your ex, or in the community. And you manage to put down the heavy weight on your shoulder, because you realize that you have your own burdens to carry as well. Others of you, it could also be related to your workplace. Maybe you are taken for granted with this group of people in the workplace. It could also be that your boss is involved in this scenario, that they taken you for granted in the past, because this is the past scenario. For some of you guys, you are no longer in this workplace. Others of you, you're still there, but you are no longer taking all the responsibilities and obligations in the workplace. Others of you, it could also be that there are people in your workplace who are laughing in front of you, because you know what, for some of them, they earn more salary, higher salary than you, and they are laughing on you because you are working hard in the past. They are saying, hey, look at Scorpio, he or she is working like crazy, an idiot, a gullible, a stupid, and they are laughing in front of you. But you are continuing your job, you are continuing your efforts to fulfill this work. It's because you don't want to argue. You are ignoring these people, and now you manage to close the cycle. You don't want to carry these burdens anymore. Maybe your boss is also involved in this scenario. Maybe your boss never reciprocated you. You work hard to compare with other group of people in the workplace, and your salary is not increasing to compare with other people. Of course, this is not for all of you guys. That's why I said take only what fits in your story. And now, you end up these burdens. You said, no, I won't do that anymore. If this is in your family, maybe you are. In the past, you are taking all the responsibilities and obligations. For some of you, maybe you are a breadwinner. It could also be that your family exploit you with your kindness, generosity, and compassion. Because I know that Scorpio is very generous. It's just like in your workplace. And now, this is the closure. You manage to put the heavy weight on your shoulder. Could also be this is related to your relationship. This person who is embodied the energy of a Sagittarius. And you put down as well the heavy weight on your shoulder. This is the closure. No more burdens anymore. Enough is enough. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your energy in the distant future around 12 months is the Queen of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. Double confirmation. The 8 of Pentacles is also embodied the energy of a Virgo. I feel like for most of you, this is your energy. You are having a financial success and stability. It's because of your hard work. It's because of your legacy for some of you. It could also be that you are an independent contractor. You are a CEO or a successful businessman or businesswoman. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. It's because in tarot, there is no gender. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Virgo needs your support, especially related to financial matters. Because this person viewed you as a very nurturing and loving person. It could also be that this person wants to offer you a commitment. Because this person viewed you as the best partner. Because for some of you, this is your energy. You are connected to Mother Earth. You are very loving. You are a very nurturing person. And you understand the life of other people. It's because you have undergone what they have undergone as well. You become this financial success and having a financial stability. It's because of your hard work. It could also be related to your legacy. And you are working father, and that's why you arrive in this energy of the Queen or King of Pentacles energy. Others of you, maybe you are investing your money related to realty. It could also be that you are spending most of your time at home doing gardening, cooking, or doing household chores. And others of you, you have a peace and tranquility in your surroundings because you are connected to Mother Earth. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Virgo needs your support, especially financial matters. Could be in your family, could also be this person is in the workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. I don't know who is this person in your life, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Others of you guys, you are manifesting this financial success and stability, and you are halfway there. You look, the 8 of Pentacles. That's why the universe advises you to stay focused and don't get distracted. For some of you who is on the way to be the Queen of Pentacles. Others of you, you are already there. You have a financial success and abundance. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Page of Cups. This is the past experiences and influences in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with the same sign, a water sign, either Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. But the Page of Cups is embodied the energy of Pisces. could also be that you have a Pisces in your birth chart, or you are dealing with a Pisces. I feel like somebody here wants to inspire you. Somebody here wants to offer you a cup of love. Somebody here wants to celebrate with you, to socialize with you. Because you have here success and recognition. You look the Six of Wands. Others of you, it could also be that this is in your family. This is a child. And this person wants to inspire you, to socialize you, to offer you a cup of love. For some of you, this is your feelings. Like, this is the feelings of an inner child. It could also be that for some of you, you are following your, of course, most of you, you are following your intuition, your inner voice. Others of you, this is related to spiritual messages, downloads, or psychic messages. You are going to receive this, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be, if you are a young Scorpio, maybe this is your crush, your admirer, and this person wants to offer you a cup of love, to inspire you, to socialize with you, and to celebrate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be for some of you guys, this person is a queer or a gay. Or it could also be that this is in your family and this person wants to inspire and to support you, to offer you a cup of love. For most of you, this is your energy. You pour love to yourself. It's because you realize that you cannot pour others' empty cup if your own cup is empty. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay. And we have here your energy either at home or in your workplace, the Four of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an heiress, or you have an heiress in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is related to stability. A strong and solid foundation. Maybe this person wants to propose you a marriage proposal. Could be an heiress, or it could also be that this is your energy towards to this person. You want to settle down, to get married, for some of you, to have a stable and established relationship, to create a family. It could also be that there is a celebration here, maybe an engagement, a wedding, a baby shower, a birthday party, or a celebration of the milestone of your success. Could also be a teamwork and collaboration. And you are going to celebrate her with the community and your family as well. For some of you guys, this is only a normal celebration, a family gatherings celebration. But I feel like somebody here wants to have a stable relationship with you. Could be an heiress, could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Four of Cups. This is your immediate future energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. It could also be a group of people. I feel like somebody here is emotionally detached. It could be you or the person you are dealing with in the past, because this is about the past. Somebody here is clinging in the negative emotions. Somebody here missed the opportunity. Could be a Cancer. And this person feeling rejected by you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Maybe in the past you meet this person when you are emotionally detached. You are not ready to have a relationship with this person. Could be a Cancer. And this person now is feeling rejected by you. This person couldn't move on. For some of you guys, if this is your energy, the universe advises you to turn around. You should not stay in this negative feelings and emotion. It's because you have an infinite potential to change the situation. This is not forever. This is only a temporary, and it won't last longer. You should not cry over a spilled milk. It is wasted and cannot be regained. This is staying on the past and the negative emotions and feelings. If this is your energy, but I feel like this is not your energy. This is the energy of the person you are dealing with in the past. Could be a cancer. Could also be a group of people. In your family, in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle. Could also be your ex or in the community. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And this is your energy and the immediate future, around 3 weeks. The 4 of Cups. For most of you, this is the energy of the person you are dealing with in the past. They missed the opportunity to have you in their lives. And this person is also feeling rejected by you, because somebody here is emotionally detached. And we have here the Temperance. This is your hopes and fears in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. Double confirmation. The 10 of Wands is also embodied the energy of Sagittarius. Maybe for some of you, you are dealing with a Sagittarius as well. Of course, not all of you. I feel like this is your energy. You already find balance in all aspects in your life. You have peace in your surroundings. You also acquired serenity and equilibrium. It's because you choose to heal and you are trusting the process of the universe. And you have faith as well. Whatever has happened in the past, you managed to heal the trauma, to heal the wounds. You are not acting rush. You are moving slowly, moderately, because you realize that balance is the key, and you don't need to get stressed with all the things happen to the world, with all the people who caused you too much burdens in the past. You choose to heal and you trust the process of the universe, and you are heavily protected here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, with your guardian angels. Maybe you cannot see them, but you can feel them. Others of you, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Sagittarius wants to heal their trauma between you and them, the grudges. I don't know what is your story with this person. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person is one of your loved ones who passed away, and the soul of this person guiding you and protecting you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Yeah. Others of you, you are advised here to find balance in your life. If you are not balanced, to move moderately and to trust the process of the universe, and to believe, to have faith in your heart that you are protected with your guardian angels anytime. You don't need to see them, but I feel like for some of you, you have synchronicities and signs that you are heavily protected with your guardian angels. Take only what fits in your story, okay? This is your hopes and fears in this reading. And we have here the final outcome of this reading is the 2 of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. For some of you, maybe you are in the crossroads. because I feel like there are people who wants to blindfold you. Maybe you are also worried about the future, and that's why you are in the crossroads and you are advised to make an important decision, because this is only a temporary scenario in your life. Or it could also be that you are advised to listen to your intuition, because there are lots of things in our minds that there are lots of things in our lives that our mind couldn't explain. And that's why we need to listen our intuition, to follow the wisdom of our hearts and our body. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Libra is now making an important decision. Maybe in the past they never choose you. Maybe this person put you in a love triangle, a third party situation. Could be a Libra, could also be other sign. And this person is feeling confused because this person's attention is divided into two. This person could be in the crossroads. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to clear up your mindset. It's because this is only a conflict between your mind and your heart. And you have always an infinite potential to change the negative mind thoughts. This is only a temporary and it won't last longer. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is the final outcome. You need to make an important decision in your life. Okay? And let me see, the outside influence in this reading is the Six of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be a group of people. I feel like this is your energy. You manage to move on and to calmer shores. Whatever the pain and burdens you have experienced in the past causes this group of people. You have gone through. You have experienced a painful situation in the past that causes you too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. And you choose to move on. You choose to heal. You look, the Temperance. You choose to heal and you choose to move on. You realize that let bygones be bygones. Yeah. You manage to move on and to calmer shores. For some of you, maybe you are traveling into the sunny side of the world. Others of you, this is only related to your mindset. Maybe for some of you, you have seen this group of people, but in your mind, you already detached. You are no longer dealing with these people anymore, with this group of people who causes too much burdens in your mind and in your heart. Could also be that this group of people are in your family, in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex who embodied the energy of an Aquarius, could also be in your community. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And to clarify, the outcome of this reading is the World. Wow, I love this card for you. This is the completion of the cycle. Success and recognition. For some of you guys, this is the complete integration of your life and the world around you. You have seen the truth and the clarity. You have too many illuminations. You also accepted why the things happened the way it was. This is for some of you a recognition in the school. Congratulations. Maybe you are graduated in the university, or you are graduated in high school, or in the university, or it could also be that you are graduated in your course. Congratulations. For some of you, this is the completion of the world around you. Maybe you are going to travel, or it could also be that somebody wants to travel towards on you. Others of you, maybe you are going to relocate to other place or other country, or somebody wants to travel and relocate towards a new. This is like you live the past, the painful past in your life, out with the old and with the new. It could also be that if you have a platform in social media, this is like World Wide Web. Maybe your platform is going to be viral. Yeah, there are lots of people who are watching you. The world is watching you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I don't know what is the nature of your job. Others of you, you have too many illuminations here. And could also be that you are dealing with the 4 fixed signs in the past, which are the Leo, the Aquarius, the Taurus, and the fellow Scorpios. And you managed to end it up the cycle. You managed to close, because this is the closure. And you are stepping forward towards the new era. This is the major changes in your life. Out with the old and with the new. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please. Why the 6 of Swords in this reading? Tell me more about the 6 of Swords here. Tell me more about the 6 of Swords here, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the 6 of Swords here? Tell me more about the 6 of Swords in this reading. Why the 6 of Swords here, please? The 6 of Swords is clarified as trap, stuck, tied down, and capture. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius. Yeah, because this is the clarification of the 6 of Swords. Yeah, look. Maybe this person is trapped in a karmic relationship. Could be an Aquarius. Could also be that this person is trapped. Maybe their mental, what do you call this? They are mentally trapped. This person could also be maybe in jail. I don't know. Maybe physical jail, or maybe this person is trapped emotionally, mentally, or could also be this person is trapped in prison. Yeah, I don't know what is your story with this person, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be this person is feeling stuck. Yeah, tied down and captured. Maybe this person is in jail. I don't know. Maybe physical jail, or emotional jail, or mental jail, or trapped with a spiritual court, or spiritual jail. I don't know. I feel that somebody is feeling trapped in prison, or this person is feeling isolated. Could be an Aquarius, because this is the clarification of the 6 of Swords. Could also be a group of people in the past that causes you too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. And this group of people are now feeling trapped, feeling stuck. They couldn't move on. It's because it's their karma for what they have done to you. Because this group of people did too much pain in your heart and in your mind, but you managed to move on. And now, you look, this group of people are feeling trapped, feeling stuck, feeling like they couldn't move on, that they are in prison. Or maybe for some of them, they are going to jail. I don't know. The real jail, which is physical jail. I don't know. Because I feel like you managed to move on. Maybe this person or a group of people is going to be in spiritual jail, a spiritual court. I don't know what is your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, but this is the clarification of the Six of Swords. Could also be this person is an Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? And clarify me, please, the world in this reading. Why the world here, please? Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the world in this reading, please? The world is clarified as clinging, holding on, obsessing, and spying on you. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fixed signs. Either Tauro, Scorpio, Taurus, Leo, or Aquarius. And this person or group of people are clinging on your energy. They are in fact spying on you because this group of people or person are still holding on your energy. They are obsessed on your energy. You look, could be an Aquarius, Taurus, Leo, or a fellow Scorpio, because you manage to close the cycle, but they couldn't move on. They're still clinging in your energy. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? And clarify me, please, the Temperance in this reading. Why the Temperance here? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Why the Temperance in this reading? The Temperance is clarified as conflicted, hot and cold, and decisive. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, and this person is having multiple choices. This person is conflict, yeah, because of multiple choices. Maybe in the past, this person put you in an options, and this person could be a Sagittarius, could also be other sign, but the Temperance is embodied the energy of a Sagittarius. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And clarify me, please, the Six of Wands in this reading. Why the Six of Wands here, please? Thank you, spirits. The Six of Wands is clarified as confusion, uncertain, unclear, unsure. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. And this is the feelings of this person towards on you. This person is confused. This person is unsure. Yeah. This person is, yeah, indecisive, unsure. Yeah. Could be a Leo. This person could be your ex. You look, this is the clarification of the Six of Wands. Could also be that this person in your family, in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Somebody who is confused because this person is indecisive. Could be a Leo. And it could also be that this person is confused why you are still winning, why you are still recognized, why there are lots of people who still supporting you, when in fact they did everything to mock you down. You look, the Six of Swords. They cause too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart, because they did everything to destroy you. And now this person couldn't believe, could be a Leo, because you look, this person is confused because you have success and recognition, and you still have lots of supporters. You still have lots of people who wants to support you, who wants to see you win, the like-minded people. And this person who embodied the energy of Leo are now confused. Yeah, they couldn't believe what they have seen, because despite of what they have done to you, you managed to move on. You choose to heal the wounds. The Temperance, yeah. You choose to heal, and you look, they did everything to cause too much pain in your heart and burdens in your mind. And that's why they are confused. Why at the end of the day, you are still the winner. Yeah, you win. This is success and recognition. And that's why this person couldn't believe what Scorpio, why Scorpio are still the winner. Why he is on the top. Why he or she gets what he or what she wants. We did everything to Scorpio to destroy her or him. And now this person is confused. You look, because you choose to heal and you choose to let bygones be bygones. You choose to move on into calmer shores. And that's why you have success and recognition here. And this person is confused. Take only what fits in your story. Well, that's life. And clarify me please why the 10 of Pentacles here. Tell me more about the 10 of Pentacles in this reading please, for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The 10 of Pentacles is clarified as return, second chance, opportunity, making amends. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart, and this person wants to have a second chance in this relationship. This person wants to return on you, in your energy, because this person could be one of this person in the past who causes this 6 of Swords, who are betraying you, who are trying to destroy your life, who causes you too much pain in your heart and in your mind, burdens in your mind. Yeah, could be either Virgo or a Leo. And this person now wants to return, to make amendments, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to have a second chance. Could be this person is in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. Somebody here wants to make an amendments between you and them, to return, to have a second chance. The question is, if you are going to give them a second chance after the pain and burdens they have created on you. Because this is not a joke. And at the end of the day, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, I won't advise you to accept them or not to accept them, because it's your choice. You are responsible of your own choices and your own destiny. I don't feel that you are going to give them a second chance, because for some of you guys, you already cut off the ties of this person. You also cut or block this person in the social media and in your mobiles. Either an Aquarius or Virgo and Leo or Sagittarius. Yeah. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And clarify me, please. Wow. Why the 2 of Swords, sir? Please tell me more about the 2 of Swords in this reading. The 2 of Swords is clarified as elusive, dishonesty, deception, and trickery. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, and this person is an illusion. This person created too much lies, dishonesty, and trickery behind your back. Could be a Libra. Could also be that this person is betraying you. Could also be that this person put you in a love triangle, a third-party situation. This person is not a real deal. This person is an illusion, a fake. A fake person. Could be a Libra, could also be other sign, but this is the clarification of the 2 of Swords. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and clarify me please the Page of Cups here. Why the Page of Cups in this reading? Tell me more about the Page of Cups here, please. The Page of Cups is clarified as mistakes, misunderstood, victim, lost soul. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. This is in the past. Maybe this person misjudged you in the past. Yeah. And this person now is aware of their mistakes. Could also be that this person is the one who causes you too much pain and burdens in the past. Yeah. You look. Could be this person is involved in this scenario, causes you too much pain and burdens because this group of people are betraying you, slander your name, tried to destroy you. Could be a group of people includes Pisces, Sagittarius, Leo, Virgo, Libra, because these are the cards come out here. Yeah. Yeah. Could also be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or a fellow Scorpios. Yep. And for some of you guys, I feel like you already cut off the ties of this group of people or this person, because you choose to heal the wounds. You choose to heal the trauma that this group of people created on you. And that's why you have success and recognition, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You look the Six of Wands. Yeah. Where is the Six of Wands here? That's why you have here success and recognition, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You are going to be recognized with the people who wants to see you win. These people who are in your team. Yeah. And that ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Until the next time, thank you for joining me here. I love you all. Bye.